functions needed to measure execution time is in ctime library. So let me include the ctime library, and then let's proceed. So basically, I'm going to measure time for this nested loop. That's what I'm going to do. So first, before we enter the loop, let's get the current time from the computer. So clock t is the data type, and start time is, as you call, clock function. Then the clock ticks, current clock tick is read at this moment by the computer system now. And then at the end of the loop, could do read the time again. So that is a difference. If I simply call clock now, then current time is read in terms of clock ticks, not the actual time. And then if I subtract start there, then that's the difference number of clock ticks we get there. So using based on this clock ticks, I can convert into the real second for that. So that is by knowing how many clock ticks you have per second. So that is the idea of converting the clock ticks into the real second there. So this is the one. Now we are ready to so see out. Let's say that it took diff, that is clock ticks. So, but that is diff divided by clocks spelling error, C-L-O-C-K, clocks per second. If we divide those two, that becomes seconds. But diff is an integer counter, so I need to convert it to a real number, and like to avoid the integer division, that is the one. So sex. So we get the number of ticks as well as the seconds consumed there. So let me give some blank and the like. Now let's test the program. Let me compile the program. 3 sum with 1k data. 3 sum with 1k data. So it took 0.3 seconds. So if I run again, 0.301, a little bit different, because the computer system made it do something else in parallel. So if I run it, it's close to 0.3 seconds. It runs like that. And then for 2K data, it takes 2.37, 2.37, something like that. So we can run and then measure the time. So let me continue to do so. Let me do just one by one. 3 sum 1k data, 3 sum 2k data, 3 sum 4k data, takes longer and longer, you can see. It's 18 seconds it took. Now 3 sum 8k data. It may take much longer, so let me stop recording video and then continue when it is done. It took 149 seconds. It's about 2.5 minutes it took. So out of this data, let's analyze what does it mean. So let's do that in the next video.